Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a good week so far, and welcome to this new video on Apecoin. All right, we'll talk about what the possibilities are. We've had two short squeezes so far last week, Friday, and Sunday evening right here. So for me, the most interesting thing is potentially getting one of those again, potentially a bigger one, because right now they're getting a little bit shorter. Here we had a relatively big one, here it was already smaller. Maybe we'll get an even smaller one. Hopefully we'll get a bigger one. But I think that's the main opportunity, because I would not want to short right now for Apecoin, right? Given the way that shorts have been hunted and liquidated in the past. But I would also, I also don't think, like, I would much rather long from here than short, even though I am fundamentally bearish on Apecoin. And we'll talk about that, all right? But in general, so far, I mean, this is quite a bullish structure. The way we've been holding this level right here, around $1, which is in general technically a very strong support level. So it was also to be expected that we would actually find comparatively some strong support from there. But no, we're holding that level quite a bit. And I would almost say, I mean, if you go to the 1 hour time frame, we actually had some decent momentum build up since yesterday evening. Of course, also because the market was very strong. But I think also for Apecoin specifically. Now, the one reason why I don't think we will have another short squeeze or another pump, whatever you want to call it, which we have seen right now twice, as you can see, we twice liquidated the shorts. Those are the red blocks right here. If you look at the order flow right now, look, I don't think there's enough momentum in the price right now to really make that happen. Now, in defense of another pump happening, the last two times we actually did those short squeezes, there was also not a lot of momentum brewing up. So maybe we don't need that. And I certainly take that into account, but for now I think it's too early. For now, I think the main level to keep an eye on the 1 hour time frame for a potential pump up is this level right here at $1.08, potentially even $1.09. If we're able to break above that, preferably with some increased volume or increased momentum, then I think we can have another rally up. And I do think right now that we can have a bigger rally up into 1.25 again. But ultimately, like I said, I don't expect us to turn bullish. I think the fundamentals, even though the market is very strong, Apecoin has yet to really follow that. So it's not following the bullish market circumstances, which is already bearish. But then if we take a look at the fundamentals right here, the fundamentals haven't changed, and the fundamentals were already bad in the sense that not a lot of Ape is being bridged anymore to ApeChain. As you can see, the transfers to and from are not that high. We had some more being bridged yesterday evening, but it's also decreasing or very low. So looking at these fundamentals, I don't expect an uptrend. Those fundamentals do not deserve an uptrend fundamentally. And technically, there's also no reason to expect an uptrend. So do I think we can actually pump up again from this level at $1? Yes, after we get some confirmation. But ultimately, I think the best decision is to wait for that pump and then try to time some sort of a top and then to short it again. Those are my thoughts. That's also what I think is most likely for Apecoin, all right? I would say overall right now the situation, I would say something like this is most likely. Probably even something like this to make lower lows. But I'll keep you updated on that. If any of these scenarios come about, if I do see enough momentum, then I say, hey, I think we're going to have that pump now. I'll let you know. But I think that's what you need to know for now. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.